every day. Houses go through a lot. Every bang. Every change. Every scratch. Every move. Every time, repair your house using Eclipse Rapid Wall Repair Patch from DAP. The fast, easy-to-use mess-free repair patch can fix a variety of damage and is strong and durable. It's as simple as patch, paint, and finish. No spaggling sanding or other tools necessary. Available in 2-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch sizes. Eclipse it like it never happened. And keep some on hand so you can repair, well, everything.